But this level now already.
So where are we going to continue the reinforcement?
To continue the reinforcement is at this point.
Okay.
Because look at the block now.
Okay.
Look at the block. This block,
okay.
This block now.
Okay.
This is the level of the German floor.
Okay.
And our iron now is being buried. But this is 1.5.
Okay.
So if we don't add this iron now, come up a little bit.
So
like,
what length?
Like 1 meter
now,
or
what length? What length are we looking at?
The length.
What length are we going to add now? If let's say, for example, now we're adding, what length will add to this? Each of this pillar, what length?
Let's put 1.5. This is 1.5. Okay. But I've removed like 200 inside. That's why I bend the leg. Okay. So that it will sit on the basket. Okay. So it will come up a little bit more than this wood. Okay. Because this wood now, this is 1.3. Okay. 1.5 is supposed to be like this. If you add that one, so this place come up. This is what you get.
Let's assume this wood is 1.5.
Now we are adding 1.5. Let's see.
Okay. Okay.
Wait.
Hello viewers, hello real estate investors. I greet you all from wherever you're watching me from. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, this is a channel where we discuss everything real estate. So please endeavor to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post new updates. And so from our last video, we stopped at blinding, which is what you're seeing right now. And so blinding is essentially pouring concrete, which is laid as base preparation beneath pavement and footings. And so we've successfully done the blinding. We also took into consideration the minimum thickness for the blinding. And then we made several orders for materials we will be needing for the block work, the German floor, and so on. This video, you could see that we got several deliveries of vibrated 9 inches block, several tons of sharp sand, several tons of granite, and several bags of cement.
So this is design the process.
And then after the delivery, we swung into action by laying the foundation blocks. Please stay tuned and watch this video to the end to enable you get more information on building construction. Like I said on my previous video, what we are constructing is a 4-unit of 2-bedroom flats each here in the beautiful city of Epe, Lagos, Nigeria.
We have another one, the visitor toilet area. That normal toilet at the wall beside the normal toilet there. We have a recess also. That is the second one also there, sir. That is how it looks like, sir. Yes, sir. You see by tomorrow morning.
Double block. This is the chop block.
And so we got deliveries of iron rod, both 16mm, 12mm, and 10mm, and they are going to be subjected to bending by the iron bender, and we're going to use them for the construction work.
So if they don't top like 1.5, then to reach level where they come.
That is the last level we are going to take now.
And
This is the last level of the block. You can see that we got to lap more irons on it, so that we can achieve the stuff. You can see, sir. We got to add it. This place is very high at the front, sir.
You see, this is the point. So before we put on, we will make sure say this iron align with this block.
Okay.
Align with this block. So
Okay.
even as them put this block like this,
Okay.
they use rope from the profile. That's where they have. That's where they get this line for the block. So now for us to get the alignment, we just put the block like this, our raise like this.
Okay.
Then put this one like this.
Okay.
So that we will know the exact point of this this pillar.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So, and that's why we need to even cast it fast so that this thing should not shift.
Okay. So what is the length we will cast reach?
The length of the
if you're
as of now,
yes.
as of now, we'll just cast the base.
Okay.
We'll just cast this base first.
Okay.
Then from there, we'll bring the block closer. And let block closer to this this iron.
To make it fair.
So we just give only the size of concrete cover to go around it. So from there now we put Paco.
Okay.
Then cast this.
Okay.
But when we want to cast this, we must give a level where we can cook iron where we want to go up.